morning, folks. You would have seen the time and a footage of my bike getting warmed up. 3rd of January, a new year, a new day. So I'm riding with a friend in Hosur. He's also from Hosur, so we have planned for a ride to go and have a tea in this morning, as it is Sunday today. So I thought, though it is a working day for me, to get a big and huge refreshment. So in this year I'll be very much active in terms of YouTube, in terms of Instagram, in terms of sharing my experience, sharing my travel rides, and even some travel plans are there, but not on bikes, by other means of it. So I guess I got his call, so we'll get connected back. Yep, you can go. Yep, you can go. Yep, no, I can go. There were two other fellow riders, not fellow riders, they are also a rider. They were riding up from Pune to Kerala, and one was on Java 42, another one was on Continental GT 650 Twin. So here we meet Mr. Raghu DS. Hello, how are you? All good? Polama? Is it recording? Yep. So we are on the Thally road. I'm shivering, so my words are getting like shattered. So it says, thank you, Sitagar Hosur City Municipality. Oh, so we officially have crossed Hosur, and that's Raghu DSP who's doing a vlog, I guess. And I'm just loving this road. So we just had a break over here. So look at this view. Look at this view. Do you want to see some more? Let's take a turn. Now this. There you can see some fog. Clouds are just passing by, and a lake up front of us. That's peace, bro. I'm really thankful to this guy, Raghu DSP. He is just awesome. He brought to me this location. Whoop, there's a crow. So that is it all. We are all set to ride back to home, because I have my work. It's a working day for me. So we spent some time at that location where we took the images, and now Raghu is riding my bike. This road was just awesome. The worst part was like the GoPro. I don't know why my GoPro battery is draining out so fast. It was complete 100% charge in the morning. Within just 20 kilometers I was just recording for 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 times, and the battery just flung down very fast, and now I have just around 20% of battery charge now. So I don't know how much I'll get to record while way back to home. Raghu. I have to give him. So Raghu, எப்படி இருந்தது ஃபீல்? நல்லா இருந்ததா?
Another day, another forgettable day.
Best morning. Raghu, this is my way of saying thank you for coming and meeting me.
Thank you so much, bro.
Okay, chalo, bye. Anything? Okay, bye. Take care. Meet you in the evening. Okay.
Hey, how do you go?
25.
25 da.
Ama.
Petrol da.
Petrol da.